Hey, this is Studio Home and today tracking in Davinci Resolve. The main clip, keep on the bottom. The element you want to track, keep on the top. Highlight hold this clip. Right click, new fusion clip. Let's go to fusion. First step, delete the merge. Find out the element you want to follow, in this case this logo. Select the frame mode clear. Click on medium 1, hold down shift and press spacebar. Type Planar Tracker. Select the element you want to follow. Keep it track, set, go and track it. We select every point. Now tracking until the end. Back to the main frame and now track until the beginning. Create planar transform. We remove this one, we add new merge on the top, planar transform on the top, the element you want to track. We connect all of them together.